This is what $500 per month gets you here in Bangkok, Thailand. Now, you're in for a treat because this condo actually went viral on both my Instagram and my TikTok pages with millions of views on each platform. And I will be showing you everything that this place has to offer, from the amazing modern facilities to the actual unit that I'm staying in. And at the end, I will even tell you how I found this place for such a good price and show you how you can do the exact same thing. So sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. I'm currently on the ground floor of my condo building, and the name of this complex is called Life One Wireless. It's located in the Planchit area of Bangkok, only about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the BTS SkyTrain station. The location is very central and we are literally located in the heart of Bangkok. And having the SkyTrain station a short walk away makes it so easy and convenient to travel around Bangkok and get to different areas. Now, as we walk into the actual building, the first thing you'll notice is that they have these Face ID systems pretty much everywhere. This makes it extremely safe and secure for the residents living here, and the security in this place is on point. But before we enter the lobby reception area, I want to show you that they have everyone's favorite 7-Eleven right on your doorstep. And I can't tell you enough how convenient it is having a dedicated 7-Eleven in your condo complex for no one else to use, just residents. The thing is, not many condo buildings actually have a dedicated 7-Eleven outside. And in a lot of other places, you'd actually have to end up walking about 10 minutes to actually go to your nearest 7-Eleven. So the convenience of this place is 10 out of 10. As you can see, this place looks and feels like a 5-star hotel. The interior design here is stunning. It's extremely modern and you've got so much to offer just on the ground floor itself. From multiple different co-working areas, waiting spaces whenever you're waiting for your taxi or your ride to come, an extremely well-designed mailroom, and right now, guys, I'm sitting inside the library room. And this place honestly looks like it came out of a Harry Potter movie. You've got a spiral staircase, a meeting table, a huge range of books you can select from if you're into reading, and it's actually so advanced that you can control pretty much everything in here from the touchpad located on the wall. You can select the temperature of the air conditioning, turn it on and off. You can even alter the lighting on the touchpad, as well as the curtains and blinds. And one thing about this place that I absolutely love is the high ceilings. On the entire ground floor, the ceilings are extremely high, and it makes it feel extremely spacious in a city where everything is sort of crammed together. Now, believe it or not, you can actually hire out these rooms, including the library room and the theater room, which I'll show you later. So if you have any meetings or conferences you want to host, then all you do is you speak to the juristic office and you can hire out this place completely to yourself. Let's try out this spiral staircase. Hopefully I don't fall off. It's actually my first time going up this spiral staircase. I haven't seen anybody come up here before. Got even more books on the second floor. Now, before showing you the insane infinity pool that this place has to offer, I'm going to take you on a tour of the garden area, which is also located on the ground floor. So I'm currently sitting in one of the many seating areas they have in the gardens of this condo. And it's honestly extremely nice to come to one of these places, especially when you're living in Bangkok. Because if you know Bangkok, you know it's a chaotic, busy, non-stop city. But being in these gardens, it just sort of feels like you're in a tropical paradise. One thing that is very good about this condo is that everything is very well maintained. So this condo was actually built in the year 2020. And as you can probably see and hear behind me, there's people cleaning up all the time. The facilities that this place has to offer are very, very well maintained. And there is a massive group of staff that are always maintaining this place, making sure it's clean and tidy, which I really appreciate living here. But now, guys, I'm taking you to the 43rd floor of this condo to see the breathtaking infinity pool. Welcome to the 43rd floor of the condo building. And as you probably saw from that little montage right there, this place is beautiful. It's actually my favorite place in this building. We've got the absolutely stunning infinity pool, which actually has 3 working jacuzzis inside of it. And it's more than big enough to do laps and get a good workout in if you're into swimming. Behind me over there are deck chairs inside the water. As you can see, my feet are wet right now. I'm inside the water, but you can just chill out there, get some sunlight, taking the absolutely stunning views of Bangkok. I know I keep saying that, but it never gets old. I've stayed here for about 4 to 5 months now, and this view is always breathtaking. It always is. And one of the main things I like about this condo complex is that this infinity pool is never too busy. At sunset, it does tend to get a few more people come, but during the day, it's never busy. There's maybe 1 or 2 other people using it, and a lot of the time, you'll get a place like this to yourself. It was actually this infinity pool that sold me the 1-year lease on my condo here in Bangkok. Now, the 43rd floor also has this, I don't know what to call it, I call it a sun terrace. But it's a place where you can just walk out, enjoy the views, get some pictures, especially if you're with your girlfriend. You know, she might take up all your phone storage asking for pictures here, and you can see the beautiful city of Bangkok, the perfect place to take some photos. Now, we also have this seating area on the 43rd floor, just near the swimming pool, where you can come take in the views and actually enjoy the sunset. It's actually the perfect place to bring your friends, to bring your family, and to relax. And one of the many good things about this condo is that there's plants and trees everywhere. So it sort of feels like you're surrounded by nature, even though you're in the bustling city of Bangkok. But now let me take you to the gym, because that's something I need to do a lot more of. As being here in Thailand, people will say, oh, you're gonna lose so much weight. No, you're not. No, you're not, especially if you're in a relationship. You're gonna put on weight because of how delicious the food is and how much your girlfriend will actually cook for you. So the gym's also located on the 43rd floor. Now, I didn't want to record too much inside out of respect for people's privacy, but as you can see, the gym is very well equipped. It's pretty much got everything you need for a basic workout. You've got treadmills both inside and outside facing the windows so you have a lovely view. You also have elliptical machines as well as stationary bikes. And if you're into weight training, don't worry, because you also have dumbbells that go up to 25 kilos, as well as multiple different benches. They have a cable machine there, as well as pull-up bars and weights machines. Now, to be honest with you, it isn't the best gym in the world. There are quite a few things that are missing, such as a squat rack, heavier weights, a bench press, you name it. But for a condo gym, it's actually very well equipped. And if you're busy and you're just looking for a quick workout to get a pump or to burn some calories, this is perfect. But now let's get the lift, and I'm going to show you the 42nd floor. This floor is home to my favorite co-working space in the entire building. Here you've got meeting rooms, multiple desks and chairs, whether you're working individually or working in a group. It's also fully air conditioned, it comes with super fast Wi-Fi, and I have to say the design of this place is really cool. Now remember the theatre room that I was talking about? Well, that is located here on the 42nd floor, and it's just so nice. You can come here in the evening, put a movie on the TV and connect to the speakers, and also the curtains close fully, so if you want that complete darkness whilst you're watching your movie, then you've got it. There's also a kitchen area in the theatre room, as well as a fridge where you can store all your drinks and snacks for your movie. And as I was saying before, you can also hire these places out for the day. So we also have an outside area to this floor, and that's where I'm sitting now. And believe it or not, there's even more seating areas here. Honestly, this condo has so many places you can sit down. And there's actually over 1,000 rooms in this complex. And the craziest thing is, I never see this condo that busy. It doesn't feel like you've got 1,000 rooms in this place. Also, on this floor, you have a sauna in the bathroom. And in this sauna, you can actually control the light settings. You can put on different colored lights. You can control the light intensity. You can also electrically control the humidity and the temperature, while still having all the perks of a good old traditional sauna. Now, to be honest with you, I've barely used the sauna while staying in this building, and I need to. You've got more than enough room in the sauna, and apparently it's very good for your health. So if you're into your fitness and your health, but you don't want to sign up to an expensive gym membership with fancy facilities, then this place is perfect for you. Now, before the actual room tour, I want to take you down to the 10th floor. And the craziest thing is, I did not even know this place existed until a couple weeks ago, and I honestly don't think anyone really uses it. Okay guys, welcome to the 10th floor of my condo complex. Now this place acts as another garden area. You've got a bunch of trees and plants to make you feel like you're in nature and to escape that city life of Bangkok. You also have another seating area here that's luckily in the shades, and as you probably can hear, they also have some really nice fountains here. Unfortunately, you can't really swim inside them, even though it is boiling hot in Bangkok. I'd probably end up getting kicked out the building. But now, for the moment you guys have been waiting for, the room tour. So let's make our way up and check it out. Welcome to my room and apologies for the mess, but this particular unit is only about 35 square meters. And I know what you're probably thinking, it's quite small. And to be honest, it is. However, in this room, I've got pretty much everything that I need. So starting off, you've got the living room area with a couch and dining table, as well as a kitchen for whenever we want to cook. You've also got a bathroom with a toilet, sink, most importantly, the bum gun and a shower, as well as this comfy bed where all the magic happens. And opposite the bed, we also have a Samsung Smart TV, and we mainly use it to watch Netflix or YouTube. I've also got a small desk in here that acts as my workstation, where I do all my editing, all my scripting, and reply to all my emails. And there's also this other room opposite the bedroom, which we use as a little walk-in wardrobe. Now, as you can probably tell, 95% of the clothes here belong to my girlfriend. God knows how many outfits she has, but this side is mine over here, and as you can see, most of it belongs to her. We also have some drawers here to put some socks, underwear, other clothes, as well as a little mirror. And over here we actually have the balcony. Now this is quite small, but we use it to hang our clothes. Check out the view of Bangkok from the balcony. Absolutely stunning. We're currently on the 30th floor, so we get amazing views, and it looks even better at night. But my favorite view is the view I get when I'm relaxing in bed. Just take a look at it. Put my feet up and just look at the Bangkok skyline. Absolutely beautiful, and it never gets old. We also have 2 air conditioning units in the room because Bangkok does get extremely hot. One of the units is in the bedroom and one of the units is actually in the living room. But now I'm going to show you how I found this specific condo and how you can do the same thing at prices this good. So there's 2 ways you can actually find properties like this at such good prices. You could either do it by yourself or I could help you with it. Now if you want to do it by yourself, all you need to do is load up Property Hub, change the language to English, then make sure you select condominium, and then you can actually choose your BTS station and location. That's basically how I did it. Then you want to select your budget, whatever your budget may be. In this case, we're looking at the Prompong area and we're saying a 15,000 Thai baht budget. Hit search and then you'll get a range of results. However, bear in mind you need to be extremely careful when you do this. And you need to make sure that the agency that's listed the property is verified and legitimate, because there's a lot of agencies here in Bangkok that might actually take your money and take your deposit. Alternatively, if you want my help, all you need to do is fill out the Google form in the description, and what I'll do is I'll send that over to the verified legitimate agency that I use to get my condo here in Bangkok, and then they'll get in contact with you and show you the relevant properties matching your criteria. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.